Hi guys, I'm playing MM2 with Adam and Jadson. You guys probably do not know. Oh my god. I hope I get murdered, bro. Ah! Bro, they cannot hear you. You're in the call.
I know Jackson's too quiet. Look, Jackson, say hi.
I barely heard him. What do you mean he's not silent? I heard him say the long word. I do not know how to say it.
Oh, there you go.
Jadson's pretty darn loud now. Ah! Oh, you're the murderer.
No! I'm not.
That's what the murderer would do. Oh my god! Ah! Oh my gosh. Guys, if you guys didn't notice, I haven't uploaded for one video because for one day cause you guys already know I upload every day, but it's cause I went to a vacation. I just went to a
because
vacation.
you turned 9.
Yeah, I turned 9. If you guys didn't know, I used to be 8.
And also, guys, I have a special announcement.
What?
Do you know we're actually gonna meet?
Yeah, me and Adam are gonna meet in real life in June 15th.
Yeah.
But I'm very sorry. We cannot record there cause we cannot bring our electronics. Which is my tablet, my gaming setup. Oh my god.
Which guys, it's lucky because I'm gonna bring my iPad.
Yeah, and I'm gonna bring my tablet, aka iPad, and we're gonna bring it, and we're gonna
record.
Bro, but I only record in my my PC, not in my.
Oh yeah.
So I'm so sorry, guys. I can't record it.
But guys,
Because guys, my PC is connected to a mouse, so if I just go, then it will just you already know.
So guys, you're lucky, but because I will be recording.
Yeah, and you guys will see our faces.
Oh no!
Let me give you guys a hint. We're both kids. Everyone knows that, right? Because our voice, isn't it obvious, guys? If you guys didn't know we're kids, if you guys didn't think we're kids, I do not even know what to say. Because, guys, if you can't hear our voices, we sound like kids. And yeah, we are kids. What?
That's okay.
It's so loud, bro. I turned off the music, bro. So loud. Yo, this guy's lucky he has ghostly, bro. I really want ghostly.
Mama,
Papa. The freak. Wait, Adam, how do you get gems, bro?
Gems?
Yeah.
To kill people.
Bro, but I kill people and then it doesn't give me gems. How do you even get at least 100 gems?
You have to get 100 coins first, so then you get 1. Every 100.
Oh my gosh! Wait, you can exchange them.
Give you a diamond.
You can exchange. Oh my gosh, that's how rare diamonds are. Wait, what is he say? What is Jadson saying? What said?
I'm gonna go to guys. Let's go to the secret room. Where? In the middle, there's a secret room here.
There's so much, bro.
Please. Don't kill us.
But I'm not a murderer, though.
See, go to the secret room.
Let's see. Oh, yeah. I forgot where it was.
It's in the middle.
Oh, I forgot. I think this is the murderer, guys. I think there's a murderer here. I can't get in. Oh, my gosh. Where am I going to go?
Hey, Jackson, go in the middle.
Where is? Oh, we won. We just won. I have 99 coins. Please give me one more. Like I have 99. Like so perfect. I should probably wait. How do you even exchange?
I'm sorry, but I think I spelled it. I think I read it wrong. I'm sorry.
What?
It was actually every 200 coins. Milbase. Adam. What?
You're kidding, right?
No, I'm not.
You're so kidding.
No, I'm not.
200 gems. Like, where do you even exchange them, bro? Where do you even exchange them, bro?
It's either Spanish or Spanish.
Oh my god. Oh, I don't trust Adam. I don't trust Adam.
Is he?
Adam, I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you.
Is either Spanish or Spanish?
Jadson, it's probably Adam. He's chasing me.
It's fine. It's probably Spanish or Spanish.
Yo, Jadson, Adam's chasing me.
I'm safe with you. I just want to be safe with you.
Jadson, Adam is chasing me.
No, I just want to be safe with you.
No. It's probably Adam or something. I'm gonna go.
Either Spanish or vanish. Is either Spanish or vanish.
Oh gosh.
Is either Spanish or vanish. Murmur. It's time to
Adam, stop chasing me, bro. You're probably the murderer. Oh,
Told you.
never mind. You're not the murderer.
I was just gonna hand out my ice cream.
Lost.
It's either Spanish or vanish.
Stop, bro.
Wait.
Hey, yo, sus.
That's Jackson's cousin.
Oh,
Is Jackson's cousin the murderer?
I don't know.
It's called
Guys.
Site 6.
Bro, what? Yeah, hospital. Hospital to pay your hospital bills, bro. Better go here, bro.
Or select payment type. It's either cash.
I'm just gonna dance in here.
It's either Spanish or Manish.
Manish? What the frick?
I'm not innocent.
Guys,
What?
if you guys
I
can,
wanna get away from you! Your mother!
guys, if you can see my screen, guys, if you can, I'm muted right now so they cannot hear me. If you guys cannot see my screen, I'm murderer. I have the knife. Guys, it's time to troll them.
He's sitting over there.
Bro, what the? Stop! Guys, stop chasing me. You guys are murderer.
No, I'm not. I'm an ice cream guy.
Bro, I'm a ice cream. I'm not gonna camp it. How do you shoot it? Oh! There, I figured out. Yeah, I can see you, bro. Like, bro. I literally, oh my gosh, I hit you. What do you mean, bro? I literally hit you. I hit you. Oh my gosh. Oh, guys, I'm kind of trash at murder. But if you guys don't know, and I haven't uploaded a video of this, but actually, when me, Jadson, and Adam, and Adam, bro, stop, bro. When me, Adam, and Jadson, actually, bro, guys, I'm muted right now. When I wasn't recording, when me, Jadson, and Adam were playing MM2, we were actually like, bro, I was so good at sheriff. Okay. Stop. Adam, I don't care. Me.
I'm gonna shoot you.
I'm gonna get you.
You're You're just trying to.
I'm not kidding. I'm actually the murderer. See, I told it to you. Spanish murders.
Fire your mom!
I'm kidding. I'm sorry.
You just made my child as being a servant.
When I get sheriff, I'm gonna shoot somebody. I'm sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. I didn't know you were actually gonna shoot me, bro. Oh my god, what I'm eating is so hard. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't know you were actually gonna shoot me. I was joking. Oh my gosh, you actually did it. Why, bro? Oh my gosh.
I saw the manga.
Bird?
Look, hey, Jackson.
Wait, what? Jackson's the murder?
The bird was Jackson. No, it's not. The bird was not Jackson. The bird was Six.
What?
It's a 6. The murder is a 6. It's a 6:15. It's a 6:15.
I know, bro.
Or maybe Johnson's the murder. You're too tiny, Johnson. You're too tiny to get up there.
Oh no.
He got up. Imagine if you fell.
Adam, stop saying the. I'm gonna tell your mom threat because that's the most trashiest threat ever, bro.
Is he
That
either
doesn't.
Spanish or Spanish?
Stop. Lies.
Spanish or Spanish?
The freak?
Oh no! I crushed my nuts into my.
Hey, yo.
Is he the Spanish or Spanish?
Hey, yo.
It's a 6:6. It's a 6. It's a 6. Johnson. Wait, Johnson left.
Uh-oh. Johnson's in trouble.
Oh no, Johnson's the murderer or sa 6:15.
Guys, I'm just gonna do something funny in here, bro. Guys, I might if my voice didn't cut like that, I would look like a freaking like I would look like a freaking idiot.
I knew it. Sa 6 was the murder.
I would look so freaking goofy if I was just saying and it wasn't cutting because I was turning my microphone on and off. If on and off and then bro, if my microphone didn't even cut, bro, I'm gonna look so goofy.
Now I'm not gonna get sheriff anymore.
Imagine you get sheriff, bro.
And I'll shoot you. You forced me to.
No, don't. It's either. Oh my gosh, why am I?
I'm innocent.
I need some.
Kid, are you sheriff?
I'm running away from you, bro.
Are you sheriff?
Oh, there's this girl here. She's so sauce.
Are you the sheriff though?
No.
Ah, she is the one. Let me outsmart her.
I'm hiding.
Let me outsmart her again. I'm gonna outsmart. Oh no, I died.
She's actually the murderer. I'm hiding, bro.
Where even are you? You're hey!
I'm running. How did she not see me, bro? She probably saw me. Yeah, she probably saw me, bro. The rock.
See, once you go up, you never go down. You have to go down.
I'm running. Yeah, bro, you told me she. Oh, wait, what happened?
Johnson was the sheriff!
Oh, This video is probably gonna be like 20 or
I'm not
15.
gonna become the sheriff.
This video is probably gonna be 20 minutes long.
Bro, imagine if it's 30 minutes.
Bro, that's gonna be pretty long.
Bro, imagine if it's...
Wait, guys, I'm just gonna mute my microphone. I'm gonna go take a little leak. I'm gonna pee.
Where's the murder?
Guys, I'm back.
I bet.
I'm hiding. I'm hiding.
I bet you're scared.
You're probably murderer.
I'm not.
You're probably murderer because you're flexing your sheriff.
Where are you, murderer? I killed Johnson!
Bro.
Johnson was the murderer!
But Johnson is probably crying right now, bro.
Look how he died. Look at his face.
Bro, he's not even in the game anymore. He rage quit, bro.
He left the game?
Yeah.
Bro, he probably said after that.
So he probably said, bro, I'm quitting MM2. And then just leaves.
Okay, look at this guy. How he's speeding like that?
Bro.
Look here. How he's
Oh my gosh, I think he has admin. Oh, wait. Oh, it's like this.
You're probably clicking so fast.
No, I'm not clicking so fast. Guys,
Innocent.
guys, I heard Adam said I'm a... Bro, he's probably murderer. Guys, take your distances. It's probably Adam. He said I'm a... I knew it. I so knew it. Wait, I'm gonna spam in chat.
Bro, that's cheating.
Oh, it got tags.
Come on, submit. I should have known better.
Jean.
Hacking. Bro, this guy's hacking.
Oh my gosh, it keeps getting
He's
tags.
inside the wall.
Layla? Oh wait, she's lucky. She has the carrot. Run! Guys, run! It's Adam. No. I know where where two people are, but I'm not telling you where they are.
But see, that guy is hiding in a wall.
Wait, what? Bro.
The Pussycat is cheating. He hide in a wall.
What?
Yeah, he's a hacker. That's
Bro.
what he's doing.
The boy here, like Lance, Liam, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, go. Bro, literally just levitated. Like, bro, what? Dude, I'm about to get the carrot gun. Meanwhile, I'm gonna. Oh my gosh, I fell. The frick? Hey, yo, what the frick was that?
Did you saw that?
Yes, I see that. Guys, if you can see, I'm murderer again.
See, if you didn't cut it, then you would not believe me.
Bro, that was so sus.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what the frick was that, bro?
I think we are. You get me!
No, I didn't. That was someone else, bro. That was someone else, bro. That was
Stop
someone else.
lying or you go to hell.
What the frick?
You see, if you lie, you're not gonna go to heaven. That
Oh.
was definitely you. You're the only one. What I done?
You also lie.
What do you mean? Yes, you are the murderer.
I can see your dead body right now, bro.
You're actually staring at my dead body. You're holding an egg, and then you're holding my ice cream. You're standing in my body. You're dancing on it. Bro, someone saw you dance on my body. That's proof that you are the murderer.
No, that's not proof. I hate this. I swear, if I get murderer or sheriff again, bro.
See, why do everyone dance at you?
I don't know. Oh!
See, they think. Oh!
Ah!
He flicked me! Bro, report that guy. He's a hacker.
Yeah, report him. Vusi Cap, right? Vusi Cap.
Yeah, Vusi Cap. There you go. I reported him.
There, I
Did
also
you already reported him? Did you capture the scene?
No.
Huh? Nicki Minaj.
I'm gonna drink. What should I drink? Chocolate? Chocolate drink? I don't know.
Broccoli juice.
No, I'm not gonna drink broccoli.
I should have known better. Guys, karma's a rich. I should have known better.
Oh my gosh. Statue? Ah! Running away from him. Oh, yeah, oh my gosh.
I'm innocent. I'm an innocent. For real, I'm an innocent. I'm totally innocent. I'm totally innocent. I'm totally the innocent. Totally innocent. I'm totally innocent.
Oh my gosh.
I'm totally innocent. You could have got that guy.
Bro, I'm not a sheriff.
No, the like speeding guy. You could have just. No.
What?
He's making everyone get killed.
Wait, what?
Because of that guy.
Bro, cheater, bro.
Just capture the
There's
scene.
an exploiter. Bro, that guy's cheating, man. Bro, that guy's...
He made me That's the map.
Bro, there's another guy.
Yeah.
There's two exploiters.
How do they even do that?
Yeah, how do they even do that? But don't do that because it's cheating. Like, why do people even cheat? That's just so bad. Like, what?
There you go, you captured it at the perfect time.
I didn't.
Innocent.
There's probably gonna be a lot of ants in my room because I just.
I'm innocent.
I think it's Adam, and I'm hiding from him. Okay, none there.
How did you even get to the map? Bro, how did you even get to the map?
Yeah, how?
Bro, let's play another Let's play another game. Those people are cheating.
No!
Bro! No! He's a tornado!
Okay. I'm Sheriff!
I'm totally innocent.
Okay, I'm shooting you. I'm gonna shoot you.
So can I be a sheriff?
Nah.
Don't!
Staying away from Adam, bro.
He made me die. Bro, this guy's flying! Look at random!
I can't spectate. Oh my gosh!
Told you! Let me try capturing him.
Wait, what? Wait, what did I do? What did I do? Guys, I'm just gonna do a part 2 of this thingy because it's already like about to be 30 minutes. So, bye guys!